2 days ago so I can take this huge pipe out of the water, PVC pipe, and utilize it for tent poles or maybe something else, but I think it's ugly being here and not helpful for the wildlife. And I caught that long-necked turtle yesterday by hand. I thought I would need my net, and I did, but that's not how I caught it. But I did use it to contain it till I could make it a new place to stay, not here, but somewhere else where unfortunately I think a tweaker is staying. I just walked across him, so I'm not going to let him know if there's anything nearby.